Medieval walls. The oldest relics of Alcoi bear witness to the evolution of the city, to when it was a small town and required its first expansion, the Raval Vell. It is documented that by the year 1308, there were already walls and towers orientated towards the Camino de Castilla. Standing guard over it, the Riquer Tower Gateway presented two pointed arches, and the upper floors could only be reached through a raised door and the aid of a ladder. Nicer Tower reinforced the defences provided by the Riquer Tower. At the beginning of the 18th century, during the War of Succession, a bastion was tacked onto the tower to support cannons. The medieval wall was built out of rammed earth. The western wall meets the front corner of the Riquer Tower and then skirts around the Barranc de Nalloba escarpment. The eastern wall runs alongside Calle de la Purísima. In the early 18th century, lost the defensive function of the walls, a new entrance was opened, called the San Roque Archway, which improved communication between Raval Vell and the new neighbourhood that had sprung up outside the town walls.